Let us introduce the fastest and most reliable data replication tool on the market. Using Change Data Capture, you can replicate over 1 million rows in under 1 minute without additional load on your database server. Let us show you how it works. Change Data Capture, or CDC, detects and transfers only the new, updated, or deleted data, instead of copying entire tables. This approach ensures real-time synchronization with minimal system impact. Setting up CDC is fast and effortless. Our automated script handles everything, connecting to the database, configuring settings, and enabling CDC. You'll also define your IP access strategy. Choose Keboola's predefined IPs for a secure connection, or configure custom IPs based on your security needs. The script automates permissions, creates a database user, and finalizes the setup. With the MySQL server now prepared for CDC, we move to Keboola to complete the setup. CDC is available as a dedicated component within the platform. To stay organized, we start by giving the configuration a name. Setting up CDC in Keboola is simple. We provide a few details: host name, username, and password, and save the configuration. Before proceeding, we test the connection to ensure everything is working correctly. Once connected, we load available schemas and select the tables to track changes. CDC offers multiple customization options. While we select Download Changes Only, the first run will load the entire table to initialize replication. After saving the configuration, we start the component. The duration of this process depends on table size and accumulated changes. From now on, all changes will be automatically captured and transferred, keeping your data always up to date. Looking back at the process, we can see that the job took just 4 minutes to complete. Checking the table in storage, it successfully retrieved 4 million rows, demonstrating the speed and efficiency of CDC in handling large-scale data replication. To stream the data in an automated fashion, we simply set how often to retrieve updates, whether every minute, once per hour, or at any custom interval that fits our needs. Scheduling runs is quick and effortless. Need real-time alerts, email, or Slack notifications? Piece of cake! Keboola keeps you informed at every step. And that's it! Change Data Capture is now fully operational. With Keboola, data replication is fast, secure, and effortless. And the best part? You can try it for free today. No commitments, just results.